Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, Timeless Kicks. Recently I just went on vacation, so I ordered a couple things. This video is probably going to be a little bit short. I ordered a couple things online and I just wanted to unbox them really quick. Let's just jump right into the video. I'm going to unbox this first because this will help me with my other packages. So let's unbox this real quick. I got this off of Grailed, I believe. I don't remember if it was Grailed. Yeah, it was Grailed. So just because I've been getting boxes and stuff like that, I decided to order myself a box cutter. Let's see if you can see that. So I just went ahead and got myself a little Supreme box cutter. Pretty nice. So let's open this up because it will help us with our other things that we are unboxing today. Oh, there's instructions. Who needs that, am I right? Just kidding, I might need the instructions. The guy who sold me this Supreme box cutter is 203 reseller, so definitely check him out. He also sent this baseball card, which is awesome. All right, let's get into our first box. So, I ended up getting a dub on the SNKRS app. Couldn't believe it. What date was that actually? Let me check. Okay, so I ended up getting these on July 17th. I got a SNKRS dub, so that was pretty cool. Wow, the box cutter works beautifully. Look at that. So if you know what July 17th was on the SNKRS app, then you'll know what these are. These are the Lebron 18 Space Jams. Lebron 18 Low Space Jams. Look at that. I personally really like these. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not a huge fan of basketball sneakers, but I think that these are so cool. And I really wanted to get these because I kind of just wanted them as like a collectible. I mean, obviously they're no Jordan 11 Space Jams, but I still think that they're really, really awesome. And it's this Wile E. Coyote Roadrunner edition. So I don't know, I'm such a fan of like kind of crazy colorways. Like I love all of the that Nike does. So having two separate colors, one of them being the Roadrunner and one of them being the Wile E. Coyote, I thought these were so cool. Like first we'll take a look at the bottoms. You got the blue here and the red here. I just think that it's a pretty cool like splat design on the bottom. So we'll take a look at the Roadrunner first. So you can see on the sole of it, I don't know if you can see that, it says beep beep right here because that's what the Roadrunner says. And the heel, LeBron's logo right here, covered in like clouds, so I think that was really cool too. The color blocking on this is insane, and just the details of the overall sneaker itself. The Nike logo has clouds just to represent the Roadrunner. You can see more cloud patterns right here. And yeah, I mean, I just think that the details of this shoe is really sick. You got the Toon Squad label right here, and then on the inside of the tongue you got the Roadrunner. So the Roadrunner edition of this shoe is really cool. I really like it. And then we'll take a look at the Wile E. Coyote. So just like how on the Roadrunner it said beep beep, this one says yow. And again, you got like that TNT kind of swoosh right here. You got LeBron's logo right here again. And yeah, the materials on this thing are really great. You got, instead of like the cloud patterns, you have a wooden pattern right here. Again, on the tongue you got the Toon Squad label, and on the inside, instead of the Wile E. Coyote, you just got a sign that says help, because Wile E. Coyote never catches the Roadrunner. So I think that this is just such an awesome shoe. For me personally, I was maybe gonna sell these, but to be honest with you, I think I just want to hold them in my collection. I think that they're just such an awesome collectible. Obviously there's a little bit of controversy in my personal opinions. My opinion on the Space Jam movie, I really wish that LeBron did his own separate movie, like completely different from Space Jam. That's just my opinion. Yeah, it wasn't the greatest movie. It felt a lot like an ad, but nonetheless, I still think that he came out with an awesome shoe, and I'm definitely gonna, I think I'm gonna hold these. I think these are gonna be a hold for a little bit. Maybe one day I'll sell them, but for right now, I don't know if I'm gonna unds them, but I'm definitely gonna hold on to them. These might even be like a great gym sneaker. So, and they're my size too, so I think I might keep these in my collection. The box itself isn't really anything special. Obviously, I didn't get the Xbox edition because that was just insanely hard to get. This is just a pretty light and small unboxing. So this is just the last box that I got to unpackage after my vacation. And I ended up purchasing just some DS size 10 Carmines. Honestly, such an amazing shoe. I love the materials on it. The Nike 6 has grown on me. I never really used to like the 6, but I'm not gonna lie to you, the silhouette has kind of grown on me, and I love that these re-released. I believe that Jordan wore these to receive one of his championship rings, so it's just like a really cool kind of shoe to have in your collection. You got a little bit of an icy bottom. It's not the whole sole itself, but you got the Jumpman right here, you know, Nike Air on the back, and honestly just a great shoe in my personal opinion. So I am planning on reselling these, so if you would like to buy them, they are dead stock in a size 10, and these will be up on my Instagram page at Timeless Kicks. So if you would like to purchase them, just DM me and we can make it happen. And yeah, the box is pretty sick as well. So yeah, like I said too, I've been into card collecting a little bit. It's kind of become an addiction, but that's okay. But I've been kind of following cards a little bit more, so that's been a lot of fun too. I have some cards coming in the mail, and I also have another pair of sneakers for the personal coming in as well. So maybe I'll do another unboxing video a little bit later on in the week. Today, immediately once I got home, I shipped out some Jordan 4 Taupe Haze, so those are sold, no longer available. But like I said, if you would like to purchase these Carmines, let me know and I will get these shipped out as soon as possible. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon.